is. So guys, we're gonna continue measuring our weight. The measuring of the weight is just basically an approximate. It doesn't have to be exact, but it's good to have an idea how much you're dealing with so that you can anticipate how much salt you wanna use. And in this case of mine, guys, I'm tracking it with my calculator, and I just keep adding my gram on it. So once we finish everything, we can then gonna measure our salt. So we have approximately 4,000 of our peppers, the cut peppers. Now we are going to measure our salt. And so now we're going to measure our salt. So we're gonna put this one on a tare on 0, and then approximately it says that I have 4,000 gram here. So with 4,000 gram, I multiply that with 2. We have approximately 80 grams of salt that we need. So we're just gonna measure about 80 grams. We're gonna zero this one out. 0 grams. We're gonna put 80 in here. Here, as you can see on the table, that there are juice coming out from the peppers. So at this point, I'm not going to add any water, but I already pre-boiled water, and I'm also waiting for the water to cool down. But at this point, as we know that this has a lot of juice, this is generating juice right now. When you press it that way, it's getting so juicy. So at this point, we're not gonna add any water, but we're going to add our salt in here. And I'm gonna save a little bit, about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of salt, so that this salt, we're going to add this later in the water in case we need it, in case we need to add some water. Now at this point, we're just gonna basically mash it with salt, and then we're going to leave it so that it can generate its own water. And I have a trick how to do that, to make them generate its own water after mashing it.